Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Build your 800 plus credit score fast. How to build credit score quickly. Have you ever felt held back by a low credit score? Maybe you're dreaming of buying a home, financing a car, or just getting approved for a decent credit card. In 2025, building your credit score quickly is more achievable than ever. New tools and smart strategies can help give your score a fast boost, and I'm here to walk you through them step by step. This script will be motivational, educational, and conversational. So imagine we're just two friends talking about improving our financial game. By the end, you'll understand how credit scores work, what influences them, and exactly what actions you can take to raise your score fast. Let's dive in. Understanding credit scores 101. Before we jump into the steps, let's get clear on what a credit score is and why it matters. Think of your credit score as a financial report card. It's a 3-digit number, usually between 300 and 850, that tells lenders how trustworthy you are with credit. The higher the score, the better financial opportunities you'll have. A great score means access to favorable interest rates and easier approvals. In fact, higher credit scores open the door to cheaper loans, easier apartment rentals, and even lower insurance rates. Experian.com. Here are the main factors that make up your score. Payment history, 35%. This is the most important factor. It tracks whether you pay your bills on time. Even one missed payment can hurt, since payment history accounts for 35% of your FICO score. Experian.com. Example: if you paid your credit card bill 30 days late, that mishap could stay on your report for 7 years and drag down your score. Experian.com. So paying on time is critical. Credit utilization, 30%. This is the portion of your credit limits you're using, especially on credit cards. Revolving credit. Experian.com. Using less of your available credit is better. Experts often say keep it below 30%, but top scorers usually use under 10%. Experian.com. Example: if you have a $10,000 total credit limit and you've used $3,000, you're at 30% utilization. Lowering that balance will improve your score. Length of credit history, 15%. How long you've had credit accounts open matters. Older accounts and a higher average age of accounts boost this factor. Experian.com. Tip: keeping an old credit card open, even if you don't use it much, can lengthen your credit history and help your score. New credit, 10%. Each time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry can ding your score slightly. Opening several new accounts in a short time is a red flag. Experian.com. Example: applying for 5 credit cards in a month could knock points off your score and signal risk to lenders, so pace yourself. Credit mix, 10%. Having a mix of credit types, credit cards, auto loans, mortgages, etc., can give a small boost. Experian.com. It shows you can handle different kinds of debt responsibly. Don't worry if you can't check this box yet. It's not a major factor, and you shouldn't take on debt just for credit mix. Experian.com. A quick note on score ranges. Generally, a good FICO score is around 670-739, and anything above 800 is excellent. Experian.com. But don't be intimidated if you're below that right now. The strategies we're about to cover will help you climb the ladder quickly. Stay motivated. Every positive step can lead to a score boost, and even a 20 or 50-point increase can save you money on interest or qualify you for better deals. Now that you know what influences your credit, let's get into the actionable steps to improve it fast. Grab a notepad if you want, and let's build that credit score. Step-by-step strategies to boost your credit score. Fast, check your credit report and dispute errors. First things first, know where you stand. Pull your credit reports from all 3 bureaus: Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. The good news is you can get them for free. In fact, as of 2025, you can access free weekly reports via annualcreditreport.com. No excuse not to stay on top of it. Comb through each report carefully. Look for errors or anything suspicious: incorrect account information, payments wrongly marked late, accounts that aren't yours, etc. If you spot an error, take action and dispute it right away. Why? Removing an unfair negative mark can lead to a quick score increase once corrected. Experian.com. For example, if a paid-off loan is still showing as unpaid, or a debt that isn't yours is listed, getting it removed could instantly lift your score once the bureaus update your record. You have a right to dispute inaccuracies. Experian.com. Use it. Fixing errors gives you easy points because you're eliminating problems dragging you down unfairly. It's like cleaning up a report card error. Your grade improves once the mistake is gone. So, start your credit improvement journey by ensuring the baseline information is accurate. Motivational tip. This step empowers you. You're taking control and making sure your credit history tells the right story. Make all payments on time. Set up autopay. Payment history is king, making up the largest chunk of your score. Experian.com. If you want to build your credit quickly, you absolutely must avoid any new late payments. A single 30-day late payment can knock dozens of points off your score and linger for years. Experian.com. So consistency is key. The best strategy here is simple. Pay on time every time. To ensure this, consider setting up automatic bill payments for at least the minimum due on your credit cards and loans. Experian.com. Autopay acts like a safety net. Even if life gets busy or you forget a due date, the system won't. Just make sure you have enough money in your bank account to cover the autopay to avoid overdrafts. Experian.com. You can also set calendar reminders a few days before each due date as a backup. Example: imagine it's the 15th of the month and you're swamped with work or school. Instead of worrying about remembering your credit card payment, autopay has your back and saves you from a potential credit score dip. By building a flawless on-time payment record from today forward, you'll steadily gain points. Each month of timely payments adds positive history to your credit report, strengthening your score bit by bit. Think of it like laying bricks. Every on-time payment is another brick in the foundation of a great credit score. It might not boost your score overnight, but it creates unshakable stability that enables all the quick gains from other steps to actually stick. So commit to never missing a payment. Your future self and credit score will thank you. Pay down high balances. Reduce credit utilization. One of the fastest ways to see a credit score jump is by lowering your credit card balances. Credit utilization, the percentage of your credit limits you're using, is the second most influential factor in your score. Experian.com. High utilization can drag your score down, while lowering it can boost your score quickly. Here's how to tackle it. Focus on paying down your credit card debt, especially on cards that are near their limits. If you have any extra funds, maybe a tax refund, a work bonus, or savings you can temporarily spare, throw it at those balances. As Experian explains, decreasing your credit card balances shows lenders you're responsible and can raise your score. Experts suggest keeping utilization below 30%, and the best scores are in single digits. Experian.com. Example: let's say you have a card with a $1,000 limit and an $800 balance. 80% utilization, fairly high. If you pay that down to $300, you've reduced utilization to 30%. That change can make a noticeable difference in your score once the new, lower balance is reported to the bureaus. In many cases, you'll see improvement within a month or two of lowering your balances, because credit card companies report to bureaus monthly. Experian.com. For a quicker impact, you can also try making multiple payments throughout the month. Paying down your balance before the statement closing date means a lower balance gets reported, keeping your utilization consistently low. Experian.com. This is a smart habit if you use your card often. Action plan: pick your highest interest or highest balance card and attack it. Even if you can't pay it off completely, every $100 or $500 chunk you eliminate not only saves you interest, but also inches your score upward. You're effectively freeing up room in your credit limit, which makes you look financially healthier. Seeing your balances drop and your score rise can be super motivating. It's proof that you're gaining control over your debt and credit. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips, likes, comments, subscriptions.